Can I respond?
Respond to my question. Have you found the apology?
All right, but the point is that I also gave you... No. Pranesh, you can't interject me. You can't keep on interjecting me and then keep on going back to the BJP panelists. The fact is that you asked me for a documentary proof. I have given you the documentary proof from NDTV website.
NDTV, I'm talking about Indian National Congress. Have you outsourced everything to TV channels? Have you outsourced it? Who is the president of... No, who is the president? 1 minute. There are other things also that I want to say, but I'm just stopping here. INC, Indian National Congress, give me an apology. Show me an apology, Nikhil Jain. Show me. Show me. Until you find one, keep looking for it. Professor Monojit Mondal and Kanchana Yadav, spokesperson of the RJD, is also joining the debate.
No,
Professor Mondal.
No, hang on. I my good friend, I want to respond to my good friend, Mr. Dr. Ranganathan. अरे इन लोगों को तो जेल में भेजा जब वो लोग तृणमूल से बीजेपी जाते हैं और एनसीपी से बीजेपी जाते हैं सेम चार्जेस के लिए व्हाई डोंट यू पुट देम इन जेल अजीत पवार शुभेंदु अधिकारी they were under the same law they were under the same cases CBI was investigating the moment they switched over ये लोग दूध का धुला हो जाते हैं आप उसके बारे में कुछ बोलिए ना
sir 8 minutes that is political no 1 minute Professor Mondal 8 minutes Dr. Ranganathan will answer that but I am taking a principled stand that is the political hypocrisy of the BJP मैं तो ये बोल रहा हूं आपको but that is not undeclared emergency sir just like GST is not undeclared emergency Professor Mondal कुछ तो मर्यादा रखिए please let's not do this let's get Tuhin to answer that.
You know, since Pradesh, two opposition spokespersons have leveled this charge that we get opposition CMs arrested, let me place some facts before you. When was Lalu Yadav first arrested? July 25th, 1997 in the Chara Ghotala case. Who was the Prime Minister then? I.K. Gujral. When was Shibu Soren arrested in the charge of the murder of his own secretary in 2006? Who was the government at the center? It was a Manmohan Singh-led government. What are they trying to say? Do they want immunity from all crimes? Do they want Kejriwal and Hemant Soren to be given complete immunity to carry out corruption? Please, Congress party and this opposition need to realize that if you are corrupt, you will have to face the law. And we will ensure that law takes its own course. Please don't connect it with democracy. Democracy is alive when all our institutions, including the judiciary, function, and the judiciary will function actively. There will be no special favors to chief ministers of opposition states.
Okay, let's get Nikhil now. Nikhil has found something. Yes, Nikhil.
Only to... Pranesh, I hope you don't interject me for every single time that I speak. First of all, Tuhin Sinha has made a number of charges. You have not asked him for any proof. Tuhin compares the case of Hemant Soren and Arvind Kejriwal's arrest with that of Mr. Lalu Yadav. Let me remind him that the arrests of chief ministers before 2014 were on court orders pursuant to a judgment of conviction.
Okay.
What happened with Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren was that the ED arrested these individuals. The lower courts affirmed the arrest because the laws have been made in a manner that you practically cannot get bail in matters like these. These people have not been tried in any court. They were kept in jail for months and months without any offense being proven against them.
Nikhil Jain, 1 minute. Okay. I'm sure you're not getting the apology letter, but that does not mean, you resort to this. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Aapne kya bola abhi? What did you say? Court orders. How did the National Herald probe begin? That the Congress calls vendetta? Bataiye.
Has brought in number of...
You tell me, how did the National Herald probe begin, Nikhil Jain? Answer the question. It was ordered by a court. But the Congress calls it vendetta by Modi.
Without any charges being proven against him.
Nikhil Jain, I am asking you the question you were posing. You tell me about it. You have no answers. Dr. Ranganathan.
No, there is a reason. All of us are, all those on the panel are my very dear friends. But I have to say a special mention to Professor Mondal. At least he's brutally honest. He's condemned the emergency and said it's a blot. I just hope Nikhil does the same. It's just be simple and move on. Number two, when he talks about the draconian ED laws that have been used, does he even know the Supreme Court judgment of 2022-23 that has ratified those very laws, making bailable bail very rare? Does he even know Supreme Court went through those very laws that have been changed? And number three, just to say this, and I'm repeating facts even though my good friend and brother younger brother Tuhin might be offended. There is an emergency, and the people who are suffering are the Hindus, because they cannot even approach the courts to get their demolished temples back, because they are the ones who are systematically and overwhelmingly obligated to give reservations when Muslim run and Christian run schools are not, because only their temples are under control, because of so many other things. It is an emergency, but only Hindus are suffering.
Nikhil, will you endorse that? Mind you, it'll
No,
anger the vote bank, huh? हिसाब से.
Temples in this country are run by temple trust boards, which are under the state governments. The
Yeah.
kind of emergency Dr. Ranganathan would like to paint out, that is not the kind of emergency we are suffering. The kind of emergency that we are suffering is the excesses of the agencies, the absolute blind nature of the Election Commission, and right now he said how
Election
Supreme Court is
Commission,
acting
I just read out what the Bombay High Court has said. Jain, you're not questioning the Election Commission. Nikhil Jain, don't forget what Rajiv Gandhi had said in Parliament. Have you forgotten? Just look at the screen. This is Rajiv Gandhi. His words, not mine. एक बार आप पढ़ लीजिए. Can you see the screen? Can you read the highlighted portion? Professor Mondal, do you want to read it for Nikhil Jain? पढ़िए sir.
No. What kind of emergency is this? I'll tell
What kind of? Okay.
Don't
So
count
we
that
have.
the way it was, I repeat.
What kind
You
of?
have to
Sir,
have
one minute. We have secular emergency, we have communal emergency, and I don't know, we have delusional emergency. I don't know what emergency you're talking about. Sir, इसमें तो Professor Mondal, just read the letter. ये letter नहीं है. This is the statement. राजीव गांधी ने क्या बोला था पार्लियामेंट में, ये देखिए. The emergency, there is nothing wrong with the emergency if it is applied when it is required. The constitution tells us when it is required. ये देखिए, ये archive से निकल रहा है. It is all there. Who said it? Rajiv Gandhi. Now you tell me what kind of emergency was imposed in 75?
I'm saying ना, what kind of emergency imposed now in your studio? आप बोलने नहीं देते हो हम लोगों को और उन लोगों को बोलने देते हो